Hi everyone, all those who happen to see this video. I would like to share my experience, how I came to Milt and what Milt has been doing for me. It came into my life, the Milt came into my life exactly the time when I need it the most. After I qualified in CA, I had a lot of difficulties in dealing with the people, a lot of complexes. These all were making my life kind of difficult, ill. I could not even stand up and face the people, though I got qualified in CA. It was that moment I got into Milt, and it was a great transformation for me to decondition. That's why I say, for me, the Milt is nothing but deconditioning. Everything other than Milt conditioned me. The society condition, friends condition, family conditions, parents conditions, our educational institute conditions. And it was in Milt that I got that freedom. It was like getting a new birth and getting freedom from a kind of prison you have been created into. This is how the Milt came into my life. I did in 1998. If I look back from that time until today, if I remove the Milt out of me, I don't know whether I will be alive or not today, because there were a lot of things that happened in my life, a lot of things that came into my life after Milt. It will really shake my root or shake my the entire even my existence. I need to take an action. I need to face that consequence, and only the Milt helped me. I believe very strongly, when nothing is there to help you, no matter what education background you are coming from, no matter what family background you are coming from, no matter what kind of resources, additional resources in terms of money, whatever wealth you have, nothing of those things will come and help you. But Milt values will be with you to make you face and give you the enough courage and confidence to face anything that you encounter in life. So for me, if anyone asks what should be the qualification, who can do the Milt, in my view, the Milt must be done by everybody. For no education can give what Milt can give, instill in you, and it should become part of our living, and then our life will be really worth living, and it will bring out what is there. It will make you to discover what you are, and none of the courses I really felt so far can make you discover what you are, and this it gives you the freedom. It makes you to come out of that prison you are in, and the moment you achieve that freedom, and you know what you can do that. So it's a great blessing, the greatest blessing in my life, that Milt came into my life. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Asma Lata and I'm from the Mumbai chapter. I did Milt in 1992 and ever since then I have been a Miltonian. Milt has had a tremendous impact on my life, on various facets of it, especially on the spirituality front. I really enjoy coming over here and being amidst the Miltonians because it's a whole bunch of positive, enthusiastic, like-minded people. And that's what Milt is all about. Thank you.
I'm Miltonian Arunagiri from Mumbai, and I've been associated with Milt for the last 18 years. I was very fortunate that Milt happened to me way back in 2002 when I was in the batch number 41, when Apuresh was doing his last few programs, and after that he had delegated down to the other trainers. Milt has been a game changer for me as far as my life is concerned. I remember very clearly in those 2002-2003 era, I was changing from being an employee to become an employer. I had started my own business, and as you know, every new enterprise is a struggle to begin with. And Milt principles and Milt leadership training which we got has really helped us to not only professionally but in almost all dimensions of life. Milt is a very, very comprehensive program, and it teaches you almost all areas of life it impacts, be it physical, mental, emotional, intellectual, spiritual. And if you ask me, as a program, and plus not only Milt is not it's a way of life. And after the 7 weeks program which you undergo and you get a graduation on successful completion of the principles, what Milt has really helped me is to make myself into a better leader. And leader, from the Milt terminology, it's about being a giver and always being an inspirer. A person who is authentic, who not only what he thinks, what he says, what he does, there's always a match between the same. And Milt has helped me to really grow my business, stabilize my business, and now if you see, after 17 years, this company has grown. I remember very clearly, we started with about 9 people in a 450 square feet area, and my first year turnover in 2002 was around 17 lakhs. Today it has grown into a team of almost 150 people. Now we have a factory premise of more than 11,000 square feet, and my turnover has almost touched about 17 crores. Apart from this, what Milt has helped me is to identify and now pursue my passion of becoming a leader and a trainer and a teacher. Today, I train across India and abroad on almost all areas of leadership and business development, especially in sales and marketing. And if I see my growth and evolution as a trainer, a lot of credit goes to Milt and Aparesh Acharya, who is my mentor. And he has helped me guide, and with the various other wings which we have of Milt, like Milt Alumni, Milt Growth Club, Milt Convention. All these are various platforms which Aparesh has very scientifically formulated, so that a person who has done Milt course is able to continuously keep on being in that same energy space and keep on evolving. So, be it in my profession, be it in my personal life, Milt has contributed a lot. And whatever growth I've achieved, I'm definitely, Milt has played a very, very important role in my development. And now it's our time to contribute back, and we want to see that this Milt course goes to as many people as possible, so that this transformational game changer training program and the subsequent structures which are there, like Milt Alumni, Milt Growth Club, Milt Satsang, Milt Convention, can help more and more human beings to really live their life fully, and thereby truly celebrate life, and thereby make a difference, and thereby the society can be transformed, the world can be transformed. Thank you and God bless.
My name is Pooja Bajaj. I am a homemaker. I did my MLC in 2017. Milt has really boosted my confidence, removed my stage fear, helped me to think positively, and given me a wonderful family to cherish for life. Thank you, Milt.
My name is Ajit Chaudhary. I am from Milt Mumbai chapter. I am in profession of manufacturing UPS and inverters. My major challenge was to speak in front of the people. But in 2010, I got opportunity to attend Milt National Convention, Inspiration 2K10 here in Chennai. Where I observed all the Miltonians or the speaker are giving powerful talks. At that time, I decided to become Miltonian. And magic happens. In 2012, I become Miltonian and become part of this wonderful, powerful community. As I was an entrepreneur, I cannot give talk in front of the 2, 3 or 4 people. But today I have given wonderful, powerful talk in front of 250 audience. That is the biggest achievement in life. As our mentor Aparesh Acharya always says that your main life purpose is to maximize human potential. Milt has given wonderful direction to how you have to maximize the human potential, which is gift of God. To live ordinary human being is absolutely mediocre thoughts. And working on our 3 dimensions of our life, one is our personal dimensions, professional dimension and spiritual dimensions. Milt has given a path to how to maximize all these 3 dimensions and maximize human potential. One thing I learned from Milt is build a good relation. We have HR cards, and that builds a good relationship with ourselves and people around us. And attending, this is my 8th Milt National Convention. I attend alumni regularly and absolutely experiencing absolutely great human life on this planet Earth to make difference in life of people as many as possible. And talking about this Rhythm 19, it's absolutely great event for me. 3 years with all powerful Miltonians, again connecting rhythm to my life. That I can say from this Chennai chapter, and thank you very much for Chennai chapter giving a wonderful treat for us. Absolutely, it was a great retreat, and it's meet you all in Harmony 2021 at Mumbai. Thank you so much.
Warm greetings. This is Uday. My full name is Uday Kumar Gopalakrishnan. It's a honor, privilege, and delight to talk about how MILT has influenced my life. I'm an HR professional by background, having done my MBA in HR from XLRI, passed out in 1982, worked my way through in 4 organizations heading personnel departments and employee relations. In 1989, based on reference as well as an advertisement paper, I went to attend the MILT introductory session by Aparesh Acharya. Soon enough, the call within me, the call of life beckoned to register, and I attended the program thanks to my organization that I worked for, Rani Madras, who sponsored me for the 14 weeks event. Well, these sessions imbibed a lot of core values, and Aparesh Acharya was the first ever formal trainer in my life. I was swept off my feet, taken off from my heart's precious treasures in terms of really working on myself. The journey started then in 1989. I went on to do 2 more reviews as a reviewer of the same program, which went on again into 7 weeks, 14 sessions. I never looked back since then. I've been over the years into freelance coaching, training, OD consulting, and corporate facilitation. I've been in the industry for 26.5 years as a freelancer, run a company called Core Mind, based in Chennai. I've traveled worldwide to learn, to pick up, to acquire a lot of skills and knowledge in the areas and domains of training, consulting, and facilitation. There are many times, very often, that I quoted Aparesh and the MILT fraternity for giving me the growth. I enjoyed doing the MILT course, not because the course per se. I went through the real rigorous practice sessions to practice the conventions, and also attended several consecutive meetings, the monthly meetings of MILT Chennai chapter. Been also for a few conventions. Every time there was growth orientation that really upsurged within me. I'm really happy and delighted that MILT has really transformed me. In 2015, I took a first ever attempt to write the technical paper. I wrote 5 papers, and the one on creativity won me the technical award for the first time. I would say the dormant passion, the writer in me, which blossomed early in school days, went on to really do a bit of scripting in college days. The technical paper award was just the boost that I needed. My first ever book that I authored, What It Takes to Be a Leader with Passion, was released in 2016, followed by 2 more books, The Road to Mastery, as well as Cheer on the Road to Mastery, as well as Pause with Questions and Scout for Answers. These books have become a reality and are selling out there, thanks to MILT, and that technical paper sparked the interest and urge to accelerate the goal, the ambition to author books. I'm here talking to you today with all the wealth of experience that I gained, thanks to the starting point, the triggering point of what MILT energized me in '89. Thankful, grateful for lifetime to Aparesh and the wonderful fraternity of MILT, who only knows to unconditionally love, and that's what I've been spreading the message in several forms in whatever topics or themes that I facilitate and incorporate. I partner for the corporate houses across the country as well as across the world, and the tenets of MILT has been very grounded. One thing that I leave you with as sign-off code is, I always believe, thanks to MILT, eyes on the sky, feet on the ground. I repeat, eyes on the sky, feet on the ground. Thank you, MILT. Thank you, Aparesh. Thank you, MILT fraternity.